Joining in to fill us in with details of the key changes that Jefferies has made in their portfolio.
You know, Chris Wood, in his latest Greed and Fear note, has made some very interesting observations with regard to the correction in the Indian markets. But before that, the changes that he has made to his India portfolio, the big one being the fact that he's going to be introducing an investment in Interglobe Aviation or Indigo with a 4% weightage in the India portfolio, and that will be financed by removing the investment in Coal India, which is incidentally one of the few gainers on the Nifty today, and trimming the investments by 1 percentage point in Thermax. So that is how the Interglobe Aviation investment will be financed. The global portfolio also will see a change where the weightage in Alibaba will be increased by 1 percentage point, and that will be financed by reducing the weightage on ICICI Bank by a similar quantum. Now, with regards to the correction, he's mentioned that the sell-off that we are seeing right now is purely technical in nature. It's a compression of valuation multiples and not because of any adverse macro scenarios that the country is facing. What he also says is that the sell-offs in the mid-cap and the small-cap space is higher because, of course, the valuation multiples there were on the higher side, and the majority reason for the sell-off in that space is because of the aggressive selling from the FIIs. What he also alluded to his own Greed and Fear portfolio in India, which is heavily concentrated towards real estate, infrastructure, and industrials, and these are the ones that have seen the biggest correction this year so far. And he also compared that until 17th of December last year, the Greed and Fear portfolio was up almost 18% in dollar terms in comparison to the Nifty, but since then the portfolio has underperformed the index by 12%. So technical factors behind the sell-off in India, no major macro headwind that the country is facing, and an investment in Interglobe Aviation is the key takeaway from the latest Greed and Fear note.
Thank you so much, Hormaz, for joining us and giving us a sense of what exactly Chris Wood has to say as far as the recent fall is concerned. Well, some